Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down common tech issues in simple, straightforward ways. Today, we're tackling a problem that might have you scratching your head: your Verizon router blinking orange in 2025. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step, so you can get your internet back up and running quickly. First off, let's understand what that blinking orange light means. Typically, on a Verizon router, an orange light indicates a connection issue. It could be something as simple as a loose cable or as tricky as a firmware problem. The good news is, most of these can be fixed right at home without needing a professional. Step 1. Start with the basics. Check all your cables. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the router and the wall outlet. Also, verify that your Ethernet cables or coaxial cables are firmly connected. Sometimes, a simple wiggle or reset can do the trick. If everything looks good, move on to step 2. Next, try restarting your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This is like giving your router a quick reset, which often clears temporary glitches. Give it a couple of minutes to boot up and see if the light turns solid or changes color. If the orange light persists, it's time for step 3. Check for firmware updates. Using the Verizon app or your router's admin page, look for any available updates. Outdated firmware can cause all sorts of issues, and updating it might resolve the problem. Remember, always follow the instructions carefully to avoid any mishaps. Now, if none of that works, consider a factory reset. This should be your last resort because it will erase all your custom settings. To do this, find the reset button on your router, usually a small hole on the back, and hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds using a paperclip. Your router will reboot with default settings, so you'll need to reconfigure it afterward. Finally, if you're still seeing that stubborn orange blink, it's probably time to contact Verizon support. They can run diagnostics remotely or even send a technician if needed. Tech issues like this are common, but with these steps, you'll be back online in no time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.